Look, if you truly want to become fit and strong without going to the gym, then you just need to follow these 5 bodyweight exercises the right way, at the right time, and with the correct form. First, let's talk about timing. Try to do this workout in the morning on an empty stomach or after having something light like a banana or black coffee, because it helps your body burn fat more efficiently while still giving you enough energy. If you prefer working out in the evening, make sure you do it at least 2 to 3 hours after your meal so your digestion isn't affected. Now start with push-ups. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart, maintain a straight body, lower yourself slowly, and then push back up. Inhale while going down and exhale while coming up. If you're a beginner, start with 8 to 10 reps for 2 to 3 sets, and gradually increase it to 15 to 20 as your strength improves. Next, move on to squats. Keep your feet shoulder-width apart, keep your back straight, and sit down as if you're sitting on a chair. Make sure your knees don't go too far beyond your toes. Inhale as you go down and exhale as you come up. Doing 15 to 20 squats for 2 to 3 sets will build strong legs and a solid foundation. Now comes the plank. It may look simple, but it's extremely powerful. Keep your body straight on your elbows and toes. Don't let your hips go too high or too low. Start by holding for 20 to 30 seconds and gradually increase it to 60 seconds. This will make your core incredibly strong. Then lunges. Step one leg forward, bend both knees, lower your body, and come back up. Do 10 to 12 reps on each leg. This exercise improves your balance, leg strength, and overall body coordination. And finally, burpees. This is the most challenging but also the most effective exercise. It combines a squat, push-up, and jump all in one movement. Start with 8 to 10 reps and increase gradually. If your goal is fat loss, burpees are a must. Now the most important thing, consistency. If you spend just 15 to 20 minutes daily doing these exercises properly, you won't need a gym at all. And always remember, quality matters more than quantity, so focus on proper form. And yes, after your workout, have a good protein-rich meal within 20 to 30 minutes, like lentils, eggs, or milk. This helps your muscles recover faster and grow stronger. If you want me to keep guiding you step by step like this, then make sure to subscribe to Zenvey Health, like this video and share it with your friends, and comment below. Which exercise are you starting from today?